Hello, Emma. How are you?
Okay.
You just woke up,
Yeah.
huh? Did you just wake up? Yes. Okay, okay. So, how are things? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What is that behind you? That piece of cloth?
Was
Your new artwork, is it?
it's
Your new artwork.
a tapestry.
Tapestry. Okay, okay. Okay, so we will go through your stuff first. Actually, I have sent something to you. If you can print it out for
My
today's
mom's
session,
printing
be
right
good. If you
now.
cannot, okay, good, good. Okay, so let's go to your questions. Oh, hold on, you can't see the thing. Hold on, just next. Okay, you can see your question. Let me see. They say this. Where do you get this question from?
My is my home.
Homework.
Yeah.
Your teacher is going to be the same teacher.
I I don't know.
Don't know. Or maybe they have it for the entire level. No? All right. In the diagram below, ABC is a triangle. AB is 5A plus 6 cm. BC is 7A cm. AC is 6 cm. Okay. So then they ask you to find the lengths. Calculate the lengths of AB, AC, and BC. Well, okay, they've given you the height, right? No, they ask you what type of triangle is this. So is it equilateral, isosceles, or the other one is called scalene? Scalene. So the answer will be scalene. But they ask you to calculate. Hold on, calculate the lengths A, B, A, C, and okay. Is there a second part to this question?
Yeah. I already did the first part.
You only did the first part. Let me see. Can you show the second? Is this the second part? No.
Hmm.
Can you show me the second part because there might be something missing in the. Or you can snap a photo and send to me. Or okay, just hold on. Just hold on. Just hold on. Okay. All right. Thank you. I am now going to. Ada phone kamu. Oh, ada. Okay, just hold on again. Okay, let us look at what you have. This is the part B, right? So now they give you the perimeter as 42. So there is something wrong with this
Hmm.
question. If they tell us to find the length of the three sides, they have to give us this first. Perimeter diagram is 42. Then we can solve it, right?
Mhm.
You see, if A is 2, then you can find what is the length over here. You get what I'm saying? So maybe there might be a mistake in the question. So what do I mean by this? I do not know whether you get it. Calculate the lengths AB, AC, and BC. What do they mean by this? This is one instruction. This is another instruction. This is one question. This is another question. Have you seen in a maths question they give you two questions in one question? No, right? It's normally one. So I think this statement here is a wrong statement. So what you need to do is just what type of triangle is this? Well, this one, this side, and this side, they are different. So you have isosceles where two sides are the same, equilateral where three sides are the same, and scalene. Scalene, Scalene. This is when all the sides are different. This is like a normal triangle. Okay. So I think the answer is scalene. Why do I say I think? Because I think there is a mistake in the question. Right? Because just now when you know it's 42, you can solve it. Right? So is it okay?
Mhm.
Okay. So don't be surprised there are mistakes because we are all human beings. The one who don't make mistakes is God lah. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Express 2520 as a product as prime factor. So do you do the method? Can you do we okay, you do it, okay, we do it here. 2520. You remember the method, right? 2520. Can you see my screen without me minimizing? Max, can
Yeah,
see?
I can.
You can enlarge it, right? Which I have to learn from you how to do it. 2520 as a product of its prime factors. But there's a 2520 square, no? Which means this is 2520 times 2520. Again, I'm wondering whether this question paper accidentally put the square over there. That is the question, but let us see, okay? So 2520 times 2520, you can divide by 2. This becomes how much?
One.
You can use a calculator. 1,
260.
1, 2.
Oh wait, it's times 2520, right?
No, yeah, we just look at this one first. 2520 divided by 2.
60.
60. So this must still be 2520. Still. Now it's going to be a very long process. Okay, we try again. Next one is how much?
2.
630. 630. Okay, this one will be. And then divide by 2 again?
315.
315. Can you divide by 2 again? Cannot. Huh? So let us assume we divide by 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Huh? Okay, we divide by 8. This one is also going to be 315. Do you understand? You understand? Huh? So we divide by 8, which is 2 to the power 3, because we have divided this by 2 by 2 by 2. So now we're going to divide by 2 by 2 by 2. It becomes 315 also. Next one. Divide by 3 again. What do you get?
15.
105. 105, huh? So I divide by 3 to the power 2 lah, because this one will also become 105. Agree? You can see the screen? Can? Huh? Okay. Now then you want to divide by 3 again. You can divide by 3. Yeah, you get how much?
35.
35. Again, we square it over here, so this one becomes 35 also. Next one.
Divide by 5.
5. You get 7. 5 square lah. 7. Then divide by 7 square. You 1 times 1. So now let us look. This one 2 to the power 3. This one is also 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 6. Is that okay? So you get 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 2. 3 to the power 2 is 3 to the power 4. Right? And last one is 5 to the power 2 times 7 to the power 2. So this is the product of its prime factors. Are you okay? You get it? So I'm not too sure whether it was a mistake, but since the question has given you that, you just put a times 2520, because square means times the number by itself, right? Are you confused?
No.
Are you looking to get an A for your Sec 2? Wow, see, this is a difference from Emma 2 years back. Okay, but here we go. What do you call this shape? Can see, yeah? I'll share screen. What do you call this shape? This is from your paper, from the paper question you give me.
They just answered their own question.
No. Okay, a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. A rectangle is quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral. So this one this is a quadrilateral, correct? But what do you call it? There's a special name for this. Two sides parallel.
Trapezium.
Trapezium, good. Okay, next one. So we got to look up here. you plus 4, you plus 4, you plus 4. Okay, T1 is T1 is 3. T1 is just 3, right? T2 is 3 plus 4. The first one doesn't have a 4. So let us go one by one. Okay? Just write it here. 3, 7, 11, 15. Okay, I'm gonna. So first term is 3. Second term, 7, right? Is 7. 7 is 3 plus 4. Third term is 3 plus 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So notice now, this is always 4 times the earlier number, is 4 times 1. This one is 4 times 2. The next one will be 4 times 3. Can you come up with a formula for that? You know what I'm talking about? What is your answer to that then? If I want to find the nth term, like a national anthem. Okay, you try, yeah, you try. For the nth term. Okay, you gave me for the fourth term. Emma, 3 plus
4 times 3. Oh, 3 plus 4 times n.
4 times n minus 1, because this thing must be 1 less than this. Is 3 here, is 4 here. Is 3 here, is 2 here. Is 2 here, is 1 here. Is 1, is 0 here. It must always be 1 less than this. So now if we ask for the x term, 3 plus 4 times x minus 1 must be 1 less than this. So n term, you tell me n term would be 3 plus
4 times n minus 1.
Yes, but this n minus 1, you must bracket it up lah. And then maybe if you want, you can times it. 4 times n is 4n minus 4. This is another way of writing, or you can write it like this. You can write, maybe this way is better. Double bracket, because if you don't have this bracket, it's 4 times n minus 1. You know the difference, huh? So that's it. You could do the whole paper. You could do the whole paper.
Yeah.
Wow. You got the answer. You got the answers for the paper? No. Well, this is a different Emma. What happened, Emma? What happened? I tell you, remember I told you 2 years ago, maths is going to be an easy subject. And you are seeing that it's now easier than Malay, right? True. No, hey, your score for Malay is not as good as maths, right? So I think probably lah, but okay, I'll leave it to you. Next one, find the 12th term. So you tell me now how to find the 12th term. We can do mentally lah. You know mentally. Can you tell me what do we do? The 12th term is what?
T12.
Okay, T12.
No, T12. And 12 plus 4 times 2.
4 times
2.
2. Why 2 times 2? No, this is 12. No. Why 4 times 2? Notice the thing. The third term, 1 lesser. 4 times 1 lesser times 2. 4 term, 4 times 3. N, then times n minus 1. It's 12 times 4 times?
Well, 11.
11. So 3 plus 44, and your answer is. Are you confused, not, Miss? Wait, so,
A bit.
a bit, ah? Okay, then we better go again. Oh, I just praised you. I think you are allergic to praise, lah. You're allergic to praise. You can't be praised, maybe. When I praise you, you become gabra. Eh? Okay, so now we look at the pattern again. You give me now a number pattern, but there must be a number pattern increasing by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. Let's try. 10. What's the next number? Your own pattern. 13. Then
16,
16. Then
19.
19. Okay. So the first term is this first one. Correct? Because this term number 1, this term number 2, number 3, and so on and so forth. Now, the second term is when you are coming up with the formula. So the second term is 10 plus
3.
3. The third one, you can see the formula clearer. Third one, 10 plus 6. Okay, now this 6 now, we want to make it as a multiple of 3. So this is equals to 3 times
2.
2. So this one will be 3 times
1.
this one down here 0, right? Is 3 times
0.
0. Can you see now? 0, okay, is 1 less than 1. 1 is 1 less than 2. 2 is 1 less than 3. So we can come up with a formula. What is the formula? Well, the formula, let's say we ask for the n term. N term. So you tell me 10 plus 3 times
N.
n, but you got to be 1 less than this. See, 1 minus 1. But you cannot write it like that. If you write it like that, 3 times n plus minus 1, 3 times n is 3n minus 1. Bottomless, right? So you must put a bracket here. 3 times n, 3 times minus 1 equals minus 3. Then it's correct. So we need to bracket it up here. So notice this one now is also 1 less than n. Correct? So if I ask you to find the 10th term, what is the formula? T10 is equals to
10 plus 3 times 10 minus 1.
equals to 9. Huh? Correct? You get it? Huh? So 3 times 9 is 27 plus 10. So it's 37. Okay? So this is actually a formula. Formulas are easier ways to, instead of listing out to number 10 term. See, 10, this one, right? 13, 16, 19, then 22, 25, 28, 31, 34, 37. You see, I'll still reach 37, but I got to list it out. So formula like this now helps us to find the answers immediately. And formulas like this are created by the Muslim. The Muslims of the past 1,000 years ago, we created algebra by the guy by the name by Al-Khawarizmi. So we Muslims are supposed to be actually experts in this. All this thing, unknown stuff, the difficult parts in mathematics created by Muslims. So we should be good at it. We cannot be like now in Singapore, they say, Muslims are bad in maths. That's the stigma now. Okay, so do you get it? You understand? You understand about the 12th term now? We go back to your question now. Your question, you tell me now. No, not this one. You tell me very clearly what is the... Where is it? Okay, what is the 12th term? This one. T12 equals to?
Three.
plus
2 times 11.
4 times 11, huh? Okay, correct. Then find out what's the answer. 4 times 11 equals to,
44.
and then you plus 3 lah. How is it okay? Not easy, not?
Yeah.
Okay, so great lah. So now we can move on to the next one. Huh? We try doing this. You got your printed paper ready?
Yeah.
Okay, this is from Yo Chu Kang end of year exam. Again, today's session we are going to revise. Later at the end of the session, you show me the books that you have bought for your schoolwork, and you buy another book. So that one in 40 minutes time. Okay. Are you allowed to use calculators? Okay, it's allowed. All right. So can you do it mentally not? Mentally, you tell me now. Which one is first? Which one is the smallest?
0.3.
There's a dot down here. What does this dot mean?
I didn't see that.
Okay. Which one is the smallest?
0.
What is this as a decimal?
0.33.
Good. What is this as a decimal? 3 out of 4 use your calculator if you need to.
1.75.
So it's 1.75. So you can arrange which is the smallest. Give me the actual number given. If it's fraction, give me a fraction. Smallest would be?
1/4.
That's the biggest means. Oh yeah, descending, correct. Correct. Okay. So okay. Next one will be? Next one will be?
1.73.
Good. Then the next one?
0.
0.3 with a dot above. Or 0.333 or 33 over 100. Which one? You can write it down. Why don't you write it down? You can see it clearly. If you cannot see it clearly, you got to write it down. Then you can see it. Okay, I'm going to write it down for you. You have a look. Now, down here is, you have 33 over 100. You see this is 0.33, correct? Correct, Emma? Then you have another one, 0.333. And the last one down here, this last one with a dot above, the one with a dot, this dot means it's a never-ending tree. So which is this never-ending? Which is the biggest? First, second, or third? Third. So this comes next. After that?
2.
2 and then 1. Easy, yeah? Easy, yeah? Hello, miss. Okay. How do I? Sorry, yeah. I made it too big now. Okay, number line is something you can do as homework. All right. Number 3 is to do as homework. We try number 4 straight. Can you try number 4? Number 4, huh?
5%.
How many percent?
5%.
Okay, good. Find the value of x, please.
$20.
Again?
$20.
Good, good, good. Done. Next one.
$19.8.
Can you show me your... How much is one? 1 unit is how much?
1.8.
1.8. You're correct. Okay, you are right. Well done. Congratulations. I made a mistake. I calculated mentally. I got it 1.7, which is wrong. Notice all this before. Now it's chicken for you. Anyway, here we go. Next one.
$460.
Well done. What is this called? What is this thing here? What sign is this? Euro dollars. You know what's a euro dollar?
Yeah.
What is it?
Currency.
Where?
Europe.
Europe. So that means in Paris is in. So they would have their French dollar, the French. What is the currency? I do not know. And you have euro dollar. So in Britain you have the pound, and if Britain is part of this European what do you call it? European Union, then they will also have another currency. So it might be strange. Maybe in Singapore it doesn't happen. We only have, you cannot use US dollar, right, in Singapore. But in Cambodia, where I worked for a while, you have the Cambodian rial plus the US dollar. You can use the US dollar to buy things in the supermarket, in the market. So the same thing like this. That means if you have now euro dollar, you can go to any country that's part of European Union and can use it. In Singapore, there's one particular currency that we can use other than Singapore dollar. What is it? If you go to shops, you pass another country's money, currency, they will accept it. Which country is that?
Oh,
5 seconds. 4.
wait, what's it called again? I forgot.
Brunei. Do you know about it? You know Brunei?
Yeah.
Brunei decided to peg their currency to make it the same with our currency. So you can use Bruneian dollars to shop in Singapore. That's because they have a government-to-government agreement, and Brunei says, we want our Bruneian dollar to be the same as your value as yours. You can do that then. So because of that, there was even a currency, one of the dollars, the notes they issued with both Brunei and Singapore flags on it. Do you know about it? You know, right? Okay. Okay, so here we go. Let's go for the conversion then. Miss Lim went to Europe. This is a life skill. You need to know this because you will be using money in the future, right? So you need to, I mean, you are already using money. You need to know this. Number 8. How, miss? You okay?
I don't know how to convert it to SGD.
Okay. So all you need to do, you want to find out what is €1 equals to. So €1. Okay. How do we write the euro? Is like that. Okay lah. Sorry. €1 is equals to. You just take now this divided 1 Singapore dollar divided by 0.555998. You will get, first of all, you need to get a sense which currency is bigger. $1 is not even $1 in euro. Correct. 1 Singapore dollar in euro is like 59 cents. Correct. Roughly, about 60 cents. So that means Singapore $1 is 60 cents only. It's still cents. That means euro must be bigger. If this is $1, this will be more. In that case, you put the 1 above and divide it by 0.5998. And then you need to, you find what is €1, then find what is 900 euros.
Uh, 2475.83.
Again, sorry?
2475.83.
Can you show me your working? How do you get that? Wait now. Hold on, wait. Okay. All right, thank you. Actually, you already got the answer already in the first one. But
that's in euro.
Okay, hold on. We're going to show you now. This is what you wrote, right? So, well, you did this straight. Now, down here, you didn't take 900 to times 1.65. You got, actually, this is the answer. But let's take this one first. 1 divided by this, you get 1.65. Then you must take 1.65 times 900 euros. Did they tell you there's 1,500 euros in the question? No. You take 1.65 times 900 euros. What's your answer?
1485.
You get this right? In fact, this answer should be longer. So you can do this in your calculator. You take this, you get the answer. Then you times straight by. You try now. 1 divided by 0.5998 equals. You get answer. Don't AC it yet. Just add a times by 900. You will get exactly this, or almost. Do you get it? So I'm going to give you my question now. All right. You try, okay? Now, 1 Malaysian ringgit is equals to, let's say, 0.35 Singapore dollars. And they want to find out how much is $15 in Malaysian ringgit. Can you please find out? This is actual practice. You need to know this because I think you'll be going to Malaysia.
Wait.
You tell me how much is 1 Sing dollar in ringgit?
Two point
Uh-huh.
2.8.
57. Okay. So, okay, what you do, you get your answer like this, right? Now, you don't round off first. You straight away on your calculator, because now you don't need to show working anymore for this type question. Straight away, you have this, you multiply by 15 straight. Then you'll get a more accurate answer. What's the answer?
42.857.
Okay. So now down here, you can nearer sense lah. 42.86. You get it? Now, this is a skill you need to know. So you ask yourself, if you're confused, ask yourself, which one is bigger? Singapore or Malaysia? Say, oh, Singapore is bigger because 1 ringgit is in cents, not here. How many cents is 1 ringgit? So you want to find $1. This thing must be more than 1, right? More than 1, 1 divided by 35. If I ask you now, what is down here? Now we have down here. Let's see now. Singapore dollar, 1 Singapore dollar. $3.5. What is 1 ringgit Malaysia equals to in dollars? Ask yourself, which one is bigger, which one is smaller, than that one becomes,
0.285.
2.28. 2.28.
0.2857.
Okay. So this one cannot be more than 1 because the ringgit is weaker than the dollar. So this cannot be more than 1. So that's it. That's all you need to know for currency. It's either to change, it's either this divided by this or this divided by this. In order to find out which one, just ask yourself, is this figure supposed to be more than the other one? You can see which one is stronger. If this one is 1 ringgit and this is less, that means this is stronger. Means for a few cents, you can get 1 ringgit. But for Malaysians, coming to Singapore, they say, well, very expensive. Why? Because for many ringgit, you get a few dollars. So you get what I'm saying. Anyway, so we done this one. This is okay. This one. Form and algebraic form. Okay, so you have done it. Okay. All right. And here, your sequence.
27 and 32.
27 and 22. Okay.
32.
32. Okay. So you add by 5, right? Okay. Find the end term. You can do this. You can do this. Okay. What's the anthem? If you can't see, do the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, then you can see the pattern.
I'm doing that now.
Hmm?
I'm doing that now.
Okay, okay, sorry, sorry. Have you taken a breakfast?
Yeah.
How can you be taking a breakfast in your sleep? You just woke up.
And then like I woke up
9:30.
yeah, 9:30. Uh 2 plus bracket n plus 5.
I'm gonna write it down now. Sorry, can you show me what you have written? Let me see. Okay, thank you very much. Oh. So you wrote n term is equals to 2 plus 5n. Am I correct? So let us go through one by one. Term number 1. You agree is 2. You have this also. Term number 2, 2 plus 5. Am I correct? You wrote 2 plus 5. Term number 3, you put 2 plus 10. But can you write it in terms of 5 now? This will be 5 times
5 times 2.
5 times 2. Next one, fourth term. 2 plus 5 times
3
3. So this one will be 5 times,
n.
no, the second term.
Oh,
3, 2,
5 times 1.
1. This one will be 5 times
0.
0. Notice the relationship. You have to notice relationship. This is 1 lesser than this. This
2
is 1 lesser. So what is your n term? N term.
2 plus 5 times n minus 1.
Yes, this is what it is. Okay, 5 times n minus 1, you can write it like that. Okay, you can write like this. It's the same thing. Sorry, you cannot see. Okay, you can write it like that. Okay, it's more sophisticated writing it like that. But you can write it this way also, but later on you remove the times sign. Are you clear about this? Clear? Okay. So let's see now. This one. Okay, you try this one.
600.
Well done, well done. Congratulations. Question number 11.
$72 and 115 degrees.
Cannot be 72 degrees. BCD is here.
Oh,
You're right. This and this is 72. But one of it is
36.
6. Okay. So the other one would be
115.
115 is for ECB. Yeah, correct. 115. All right. So still okay because just a slight careless error. This one over here, question number 12.
Three
3x, okay, well done.
X plus 7.
Well done. Well done. Okay, the next one.
Which one am I supposed to look at? Oh, you muted yourself.
All right, let me. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Question 13.
No, but am I supposed to look at maximum or minimum?
All of them. You got to go. Okay, let's go through. Monday, what's the temperature difference?
18 minus 18.
No, not minus 18.
Oh, wait.
There's no minus in the difference. You got to see it on a number line now. That's why now number line is important because it's a graphic representation of. So this is 0, positive is here, right? So 9 minus 2 is here. Minus 15 is here. How many degrees is this? Just take 15 minus 2. 13. So we'll go back to the question again. So that's 13 degrees. So you try for the rest. From here to here, you are going to cross. You are going to cross down here, no? So you got to remember to plus. So you got to represent this on a number line to understand this clearly. Then you can see.
Monday.
Monday is the greatest difference. Good. So how many degrees difference on Monday? 13, right? Tuesday, how many?
12.
Good. Wednesday?
2.
Thursday?
5.
Friday?
12.
Good. So your answer for A is Monday. Answer for B is?
Wednesday.
And which one? Well done. And which one shows the coldest temperature?
Monday.
Monday, yes. Because the coldest one is minus 15. So now we're going to ask you now, when you freeze water, what is the temperature? Ice, air batu, ice.
Um,
No, boiling, when you boil water, how was the temperature?
I don't know.
100 degrees. You boil 100 degrees. When you freeze it, it's 0 degrees. You know, right? When before, but 0 degrees. Let's say someone they excreted into the water. Okay, they're going to play a prank on you. A naughty friend went to your house, excreted into a jar of water, let's say your water bottle, and put it into the freezer. What temperature would it be when it's frozen? Water with dung, imagine. What is the temperature going to be when it's ice? Is it going to be 0 degrees, more than 0 degrees, or less than 0 degrees? Which one?
0.
Okay, once you have impurities in water, the boiling point will increase, the freezing point will decrease. That means, let's say, Emma, if you now one day you stuff me into a fridge, and I turn into ice, my temperature is going to be minus something. It's going to be very, very cold. So that means when you are visiting countries in, let's say, Europe, is snowing, and the snow is pure water, right? Snow is 0 degrees. But when it falls onto the houses, the roofs and all that, if the roof get frozen or the car get frozen, it is minus something. It's very cold. It's colder than even frozen water. And that's a little bit of a science nugget from... Okay, now can you try question number 14? So, sorry, the done question is going to be colder, minus something, for your info. That is why, Emma, when you are cooking next time, and you are cooking, let's say, some meat, and the meat falls onto your hand, it's not going to be 100 degrees, no. Boiling water is 100, the meat might be 150 degrees. Can you imagine how hot it's going to be? That's why when you go and heat up an iron rod and touch your friend's skin, it's going to be more than 100 degrees. The burns might going to be worse. Okay, Emma, we try question number 14.
One. Oh, you muted yourself.
6x equals to, hold on now. Your answer is 1.
Yeah.
You show me your okay. Hold on. Okay, thank you. Let us see. Yeah. 2 times 3, 6x, right? 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 5, you get negative 1. Why don't you minus here before bringing there? Okay, never mind. Still correct, still correct. So this one becomes what? 5 minus 4 is 1, correct? But it's 6x here. Means how do you get rid of the 6?
Oh. 0.17. You muted yourself.
You just leave it as a fraction 1 over 6. Okay? Oh. Question 15.
Two point 1.16.
2.16 km per hour. I have not calculated this. Okay. Then your answer for number 2. Oh, you're fast, huh? Let me check. 15. Okay, well done. First one is correct. 2.16. How? If you know the speed, you just need to times by the time, but time change it to hour, divide by 60. You can do it, miss. Which part is confusing?
How am I supposed to convert minutes to hours?
Okay. Minutes to hours. Okay, minutes. You want to change to hours. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So now 30 minutes, you know, is half an hour, right? So how do we get half an hour? 30, we write 30 over here. Divide by 60. Why is divide by 60? Because 60 is 1 hour. So when we reduce, this becomes half an hour. So you divide it by 60. Then you get your hour.
0.9.
Okay, well done. Okay, can you show me? Okay, the rest you do as homework. Okay, 1, 2. I might send you another paper also, the second part to this, paper 2. But imagine this is a 1 hour paper and we completed it with discussion some more and going through your questions. This is a 1 hour paper now, you see. And our session is 1 hour. But in this session, not only do we go through almost all the questions here, we had a discussion. We also went through 4 of your questions. That means you're very fast now. Okay, can you show me your textbook for next year? This is your textbook. What about, but this time did it come with the workbook or not?
No.
Yes, right. No. Do you know they have produced the not notebook, the students workbook? Do you know?
No.
Okay. Then do you buy the other book?
2B.
Huh?
2B.
Not 2B. The other publisher's book.
Oh,
So if you did buy,
this one.
let me see. Let me see the number below. So there's 2B and 2A. Okay, good. This is not, hold on. Let me show me. Okay. Did you buy the normal academic version, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so soon I will give you exercises from that now. Okay, we'll wait. We'll see. Let me check whether once I'll message you, okay, on what to do for that thing mathematics. All right. So you got any other thing for me?
No.
You seem to be happier. What happened?
Because I don't have school.
And what is that number behind X1X, XIX? You know what number that is?
It's like the Roman numerals.
Yeah, but what number is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? X stands for 10. 1X stands for 9. It's 19. You bought this or you made this?
No, I bought.
Well, I thought you made. Why did you buy? You can make yourself one. You don't want to make.
So much work.
During the holidays, you said you have no work, right? Holidays?
Yeah,
Okay. All right, take care. Okay. Huh? Yeah. You didn't do any drawings during your holidays?
I did.
Show me some of them. Now I cannot go to your house anymore. Show me what have you done. And
Not a lot, actually.
Not a what, actually?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. Oh, in your diary?
No, it's a
Sketchbook. So have you practiced your signature for your drawings?
I don't have a signature.
You have to have lah. Otherwise, how? Next time you're going to be... Okay. All right. Wow. So what does it mean? Does the big eyes mean something?
No.
No. Okay. What else? Show me what else. That's all. It cannot be for the whole holidays you did that only, right? I want to see what else do you draw?
I don't like the ones that I did.
Oh, okay. So it's not for sure. You didn't do any of those big drawings?
No.
No.
I was
Okay,
actually intending on doing some more, but
okay.
I was actually gonna paint, but then I didn't.
Why? You were watching Netflix?
Yeah.
No. Yep. Yeah. Okay. All right then, Emma. Until next week, if you have any questions, you message me to the weekdays, okay? Okay. Dad, mom and dad, okay?
Yeah.
Your dad still working?
Yeah.
Okay then. All right. Bye-bye. Take care. See you.
Bye.